Hello my people, welcome back. I have my 2 tomatoes here and we're going to do our first cooking hack. That is easiest way of peeling tomatoes because they are type of food that do not need that outer cover of the potato. So I'll take my sufuria and my tomatoes, whichever the amount, 2, 3, 10, and then I will add some water. It's as long as it is water that can boil. You can even use boiled water and then add them into a tin and then just allow them, cover them, allow them to absorb the heat. So the essence is here having that warmth, that heat. So you can see them, they even have some bubbles. It means it's now ready. Then you can get it you can switch off your heat and then allow them to cool, because you cannot remove the cover when they're still hot. They're extremely hot. So there they are. I still didn't have enough time, so I just removed them when they're still a bit hot, so my hands were not really comfortable. And that's how they come out. They should not bring any issue of coming out. All the covers should come out in big size, not like that way. It's just because it did not give it time to cool down, but it was still okay. There it is, look at that. My second potato. This one came out very clean, very exciting, with no disturbance. And this is how it goes. Especially to those people who don't like seeing tomatoes in their food and they don't have a blender, this is the best hack you can use, because if you don't have a blender, then you cannot be able to peel them off. And that's my end result. Bye.